Hey guys, Angel here. Today I am making pork and leek pot stickers. Yay! They're gonna be homemade, so they're gonna be super delicious. And for our vegetable, I am using fresh organic leeks. I found some fresh organic leeks at the grocery store, and added bonus, they were on sale. But if you don't have leeks, you can always swap them out for a different vegetable, for example, Napa cabbage or bok choy, or even shiitake mushrooms. Totally up to you guys. In addition, I also got a package of pot sticker wraps. When you're shopping for pot sticker wraps, you can find different kinds usually. There's usually the thicker kind and then something that's a little bit thinner. And I prefer the thinner pot sticker wraps just because I feel like they taste a little bit more delicate, but it's totally personal preference and up to you. I also got some fresh ground pork, and with that, that's most of the ingredients that we'll need. Let's jump right in and get started on today's video. First, start by prepping the vegetables. Wash and trim off the top green portion of the leeks, and since that part's a little tough, you can save that piece for making soup or stock. Then slice and chop the remaining white portion of the leeks into small pieces. We'll need about 1 cup of chopped leeks for this recipe. Next, in a medium-sized bowl, start with half a pound of ground pork. We're going to season the pork filling with 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic because I love garlic, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Once you have the ingredients in the bowl, I find it's easiest to just mix and knead together the filling with your hands. Finally, add in your chopped leeks. After the leeks are mixed in, let's prep for wrapping the pot stickers. Prepare a small bowl of water for dipping along with some paper towels. Start by placing the pot sticker wrapper in one palm, scooping in a small amount of filling, about 1 tablespoon is good. Then dip your finger in a bit of water and wet the outer edges of the wrapper. Next, fold over and pleat the pot stickers together to ensure a tight seal. I'm doing about 5 to 6 pleats starting from left to right. When you're done, your pot stickers should look like this. Then continue wrapping until you've used up all your filling. After you've wrapped all your pot stickers, including any extras that you may want to freeze for later, it's time to cook. Preheat a nonstick pan over medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of oil, and carefully place the pot stickers in the pan. Next, add in 2/3 cups of water and cover with a steaming lid. During this time, we're going to steam the pot stickers for 6 minutes or until most of the water evaporates. Then, when all of the water is almost gone, remove the lid and let them continue cooking and browning for a few more minutes until they're slightly crisp on the bottom. When they're done, the pot stickers should be browned and easy to remove with tongs or a spatula. Finally, I like to serve these pot stickers hot with a side of chili garlic sauce. And that is how you make my pork and leek pot sticker recipe. As you can see, it was really easy. This all took me about an hour to make, including wrapping extras for freezing for the next day. But it was really simple, and once you get the hang of it, you guys will get much better and faster at folding. Now for the taste test. I love the flavors of the pork and how there's a little bit of texture from the leeks. They're so good and definitely better than store-bought. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.